Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel, DN Management English. Today we are going to discuss a past paper, a question of strategic human resource management. So this is half of the answer. Okay, so this is 2017 one question. I'll read it out for you. It's asking strategic human resource means formulating and executing human resource systems that produce employee competencies, behaviors the company requires to achieve its strategic aims. Explain why strategic human resource management is important in the light of the above statement. Okay, so asking the formulating and executing human resource systems that produce employee competencies and behaviors. Okay, so I'm going to give you around 3 points uh, which develop the behaviors uh, to get the achieve the strategic aims. Okay, so the first one is strategically oriented performance management system. Okay, so this helps for the organization to change its behaviors to change its behaviors in order to achieve the competitive advantage, because if your performance management system is aligned with the strategic aims, okay, this helps the organization to achieve its strategy. So as per the question, resources means formulating and executing human resource systems that change the behavior. So the strategically creating a strategically oriented performance management system will obviously help the organization to change the employee behavior, and it will help the organization to achieve the strategic aims. And the other one is the strategically oriented compensation system. Okay, so this obviously gonna help because the compensation, which is either based on the performance or whatever the method, okay, based on the job analysis and the other methods of compensation which is given. So creating a strategically oriented compensation system will obviously help to change the behaviors, and it will help to achieve the strategic aims of the organization. So the other point is like there are several ways where you can, in here it's explained, like traditional compensation systems are given here, wage for know-how and not given, compensation with specific job only, and those kind of things. And the new ones are skill-based pay, broadbanding, team-based pay, variable compensation, and all. So that is under the second point, that which creates strategically oriented uh, compensation system. The third point which I want to point out is the employee development. In the question, as you remember, it says developing competencies. So in order to develop competencies, it's essential that the employee development is done. So this can be done using, they have given the example below, there are the examples: training programs, training methods, apprenticeships, management development, and all. So those three things, I'll repeat: it's strategically oriented performance management system, strategically oriented compensation management system, and employee development. I'm giving this answer based on the question. So these 3 points I have written down. So there can be more to this answer in order to get the full marks, but for the moment I'm giving you these 3 points. I think this video is helpful for you to understand the question and the answer. So thank you guys, and you should subscribe my channel. It's DN Management English, and I'll be uploading these kind of past papers answers and whichever useful things for the human resource management as well as the management perspective and the research perspective. So please do subscribe my channel, and I'll be uploading whichever the content that is useful for you. Thank you.